Hello, friends and foes, and welcome to Darth Dragon Does Math. Today, we are doing 7.4 vocabulary. We're going to talk about three terms: expanding, factoring, and the distributive property. And what you'll notice is these are kind of words that mean the same thing. These are opposites, but these kind of mean the same thing. You expand by using the distributive property. But let's get into it. So expanding is if given an expression that has parentheses, we're going to rewrite it. So we're going to rewrite an expression with parentheses, and I'm going to, I guess not. Rewrite an expression with parentheses without parentheses. So in our example, we would say 4 times y plus 1, so our expression with parentheses, is the same thing as 4y plus 4. And we'll get into the y later, but this is expanding, and I'll show you that in a minute. Factoring is the complete opposite, so this means to rewrite an expression without parentheses with parentheses. Imagine that. Imagine Dragon. Oh man, that'd be a cool name for. Oh wait, it's been taken. All right. Anyways, so rewrite an expression without parentheses with parentheses. So the way we're going to do this is basically, so from here we went parentheses, no parentheses. So we would take 4y plus 4, and that is the same thing as 4 times y plus 1. And again, I will get into the y in our next video, but that is how we factor. And the distributive property is basically what makes all of this tick. It's when you multiply a sum of terms. Now, a sum of terms would be something like y plus 1. That is a sum of terms. I'm adding, so it's a sum. You give you subtract, and it's still a sum, but that's getting a little complicated. So a sum of terms by separate term, and I'll say terms. We're only going to work with whole numbers or variables for the most part in this class, but you could get larger, so that means multiply a sum of terms by a term. So this term is going to be 4. So when we distribute, we say this is equal to 4 times y plus whatever's right there, 4 times 1. Well, 4 times y is 4y. That cannot be simplified. 4 times 1 is 4. And we've been saying all along that this is equal to that, and that's kind of a step in the right direction of y. I'll get into some more details about how it works in the next episode, but stay tuned. Cowabunga! That's not going to work either.